This is like, I am amazed. It's talent. 9 days. Talent, skill. Wow.
Hello at welcome back sa aking channel. Ellen Adarna sinagot ang ilang tanong ng mga netizens tungkol sa kanila ni Derek Ramsey. Sa kanyang social media, ipinakita niya sa pamamagitan ng video ang kanyang mga sagot sa tanong ng ilang netizen. Siya pa ay naglabas ng mga resibo na talaga namang kinagulat ng ilan. Nasabi pa niya na nalaman niya ito 3 weeks ago, ang tinutukoy niya ay ang ilang screenshots na kanyang ipinakita. Kasalukuyan na nakatira pa rin sila ng kanyang mga anak sa bahay ni Derek Ramsey dahil nasa renovation ang kanilang bahay. Narito at ating panoorin ang video, para malaman natin kung ano pa ang ilang tanong na sinagot ni Ellen Adarna, pero bago yan maaari po kayong mag-subscribe para updated sa iba pang kaganapan.
Yeah, so, diba? That was 9 days, 10 days into the relationship. Yes, we were not married that time yet, but if he was able to do that in our honeymoon stage, how much more? 3 months, 6 months, a year, God knows, right? Usually, yung mga babaero, if they find someone and nasa honeymoon stage, makakalimutan nila yung mga side chicks nila. And they will return to their old ways, maybe a month. But this is 9 days. So, God knows ano pa yung iba, right? This is like, I am amazed. It's talent. 9 days. Talent, skill. Wow. Hands down. Anak day. Duha. Pagkibaw tulo. Da. Nakita mo ba yung post? I said I found out about it 3 weeks ago. Like this month only. Okay, may nagsumbong sa akin. So, there. As much as I'd want to reveal who this girl is, I cannot. My lawyers advise me not to. I can get in trouble. Yeah, but to clarify, she is not an ex-girlfriend. She's, I think, a side chick. So, not an ex-girlfriend. Kawawa naman yung mga ex-girlfriend na walang kinalaman. But, yeah. I know this girl has always been there. They've been friends for decades and she's always been there. So, there. Okay lang yan, Day, kasi di man din maganda yung si bitch. Bitch daw siya, diba? So, kung bitch siya, mas bitch ako. Taro nga og basa or taro nga og recall kung magimaritas naman nang kakailangan pa dyan spoon feed. Review balik kung gusto nyo ka makibaw. Hell no! If I knew about this before we got married, no! Hell no! No? If you want it, take it. I should have said this before, but I found out just recently. Try to hide it, fake it. I can't pretend anymore. And rain came pouring down when I was drowning. That's when I can finally breathe. And by morning, gone was any trace of you. I think I am finally clean. With JL Dai, wala talaga akong masabi. I have nothing but good things to say about him, you know. I mean, we had our differences in the past, but I respect him because he is a very good provider. He is honest, and he is a very present father. Like, take note, nung naghiwalay kami ni JL, that was before Elias turned 1 year old. Present siya. So, yun. Die about the tea and Gaza thing. I never lied. I never denied. I just did not talk about the relationship at the time because I wasn't ready. But I never denied. Never lied. I just made some comments about kung sa itong billionaire. Nakakatawa. And about the father of Elias, no? Why? Diba? Ba't mo minamaliit? So if we're gonna talk about billionaire kanang vibes ka to si J. Alday, mas nagka-feel pa ko ato yung billions kay he would charter a private plane for Elias during COVID just to see his son. Let's talk about private planes. If you wanna talk about billionaires, it's private planes. Well, itong isa, si Derek, he lied. He denied. And we were broken up na that time, and he said none of it was true. Yeah, I'm still here because yes, my house is still being renovated, and kailangan naman palayasin niya ako dito. Nandito yung anak niya sa akin, diba? So yeah, it's going to be done soon, and I can't wait. I'm gonna move out.